Hi and welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be upcycling this old petrol can into a cool looking lamp. Real simple project today. We're taking this petrol can, which is an old War Department can from 1952. It says on there, we'll be taking that, adding one of these cool looking bulbs to it and making it into a cool lamp. So this is going to be a really simple project using very few tools, relatively inexpensive build as well this. We picked this up from a vintage shop for around £10. You could buy a new one for that, but we just love this patina look. Also, we've picked up this fancy cable, again relatively cheap. I think that was also £10, and a bulb as well, at a very similar price. We've got a lamp fitting and a plug, so let's just get on. We've got our hole drilled, we've softened the edges, but we're also going to use this rubber grommet. Now it's going to feed this cable down into the can, and at this point I will just note that this can has been cleaned thoroughly prior to us using it as a lamp. We've used some different detergents and blasted it, filled it with water and left it standing, and really made sure it was nice and clean before we used it. So now we've got the cable through, we're just going to put this grommet in there. Okay, so simply now we've got our cable through, one end's going to go to the plug and the other we're going to feed through this spout, and this spout is where we're going to house the bulb on the end. We've picked up one of these lamp holders, and what we're going to do is just simply use some 2-part epoxy just to hold the lamp holder in the end of this spout. And I have just noticed that there's a gauze in this spout. That we're going to have to try and get out. Okay, so we've got our cable through there. It's just a case now of connecting it up to this lamp holder. And then once it's connected, we'll use the epoxy and glue it into there. Now it's time just to mix this 2-part epoxy up. I'm just going to mix that, and this is supposed to only have like a 10-minute setting time, so right, so we're almost there with our lamp. We've got a hole drilled, got the grommet in there for safety so the cable doesn't rub on the side of the metal tin. We've got our cable running up to our bulb holder with the earth on there, nice and safe. Got the plug on the end. Basically we're just going to put a bulb on the end there and that'll be it, or it could be it. But because we like this patina so much, we're going to try and preserve that. And we're just going to give this a little brush down, get rid of the cobwebs, and then we're going to give it a nice little coat with some of this wax that we've got here. I think that's enough of that. Let's have a look, see what it looks like with some of this wax on it. Okay, so that's it. Real simple project. It's taken about an hour for us to do it. All we've had to do is drill a hole in there and glue this lamp holder on. We've wired it up, it's nice and safe. We're now just going to try it with one of these fancy looking bulbs on there. So that epoxy's gone off nice, so we should be able to angle this wherever we want. It's a moment of truth. And there it is. Our real simple lamp, not taking very long to do, not cost very much either. Great little project. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please check out the channel. There's loads of other videos on there, similar upcycling projects to this. Hit that notification bell so you'll find about all other projects we've got coming up, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.